Hello, my name is Steve Tulk, and I've been an English teacher for many years, teaching in the Middle East, in Europe, and here in the UK. I've also been a school manager and school director. I've been in ELT for a long time. But I'm here today to talk to you about the power of prediction, teaching the subskill of prediction and the great things that that will do for your students when they're reading and listening in English. You should join us because you will get some great ideas, I hope, on how to make your students more successful and more confident when it comes to reading and listening in English. And you will definitely take away some ideas for lesson plans that you can use immediately in class for not only teaching the subskill of prediction, but also for including a prediction stage into your receptive skills lessons.